All right, if you are in high ticket sales or looking to break into high ticket sales and trying to figure out what offer is the best to sell for in 2026, this is the only video you're going to need to watch. I'm gonna rank every category of high ticket sales offer right now, from absolute worst, the ones that are gonna burn up in 6 months and leave you absolutely broke, all the way up to the #1 most sought after category that I would personally jump into if I was starting from zero. Just so you know, I'm not pulling this data out of my ass. I run a 7-figure company paid in full that places high ticket sales reps onto reputable offers. I have personally placed over 500 reps into their first high ticket sales role and watched them make their first dollar. Nobody else online has this data. The other guys teaching you high ticket sales have maybe been a sales rep on one single offer, made $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and now they're just slinging you skewed data. However, I see the entire industry from the inside out. Now, before I rank anything, you guys have to understand the framework I'm using. Most people pick high ticket sales offers based on what's hot today, but you guys have to think 5 years into the future, what is going to be hot? That's what you have to base it off of. If you base it off of what's hot today, the offer is going to be dead in 6 months. The question you have to ask yourself is, what is the next 5 years of I want to make money online going to look like? Because the best high ticket offers are the one teaching the niches that people are going to want to learn for the next 5 years. Those coaches are the ones selling shovels in the gold rush. That is the move, so that is how I'm ranking these. In this video, we're going to be basing these rankings off of 5 criteria, okay? #1, ticket size. How much is the offer actually selling for? Because that's going to make your commission check. So if you're selling a $5,000 offer, you'll get 10% commission, $500. That's a lot better than selling a $500 offer where you're only making $50 per commission. #2 is lead quality, warm or absolutely dead. #3 is longevity. How long is the offer going to last for? #4, the estimated time to your first 10K month once joining that offer. #5, who is the offer actually best for? Beginner, intermediate, or advanced? So jumping right into it, starting off at the worst offer you could ever sell for in 2026 is going to be anything in the crypto or NFT niche. A lot of people are going to be pissed at this, but at the end of the day, the hype died in 2022, okay? There's really no bull run. Commission is usually $300 to $800 per close. The leads are fucking cold. They've already heard the crypto coaches 50 million times. There's such a scam accusation in this niche. You're dealing with people that have been rug pulled 3 different times. The niche and the offer is already dead. You're just the last person to know. 5-year outlook for this, pretty much 0 unless some crazy bull run happens, which I don't see that happening. So selling a crypto niche, I have not personally placed a student on a crypto or Web3 or NFT coaching offer in about 15 months, and I'm not about to start. Okay, moving on. #9 is going to be generic SMMA or agency coaching. Also F tier. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Some 22-year-old kid bought an SMMA course, signed his first client for like $2,000 a month, and now he's selling a $5,000 course on how to start an agency. The SMMA wave already peaked, okay? 2020, 2021, that was the wave, and we're 4 years past it now. The ticket price to learn this is still $2,000 to $5,000. The commissions look okay on paper, but it's chargeback city because there's so much competition that the chances they land a good client is pretty much none. Unless they're adding some sort of AI aspect to it, which they're not, because this is generic SMMA that isn't rebranded or anything like that. The 5-year outcome is pretty much 0, absolute F tier. If the founder of this offer has been famous on YouTube for less than 2 years and doesn't have a real business outside of teaching people SMMA, do not do it. F tier, moving on. #8, drop shipping and Amazon coaching. This is going to be D tier. Now, before you guys lose your minds in the comments, yes, there are still a few legit ones running. The average ticket is about $3,000 to $7,000, so your commission will be about $300 to $700 per close. The issue is that the lead quality is getting worse every single quarter. The market already knows that e-com is saturated. There's such a bad connotation about these e-com kids and dropshipping kids and Amazon FBA gurus. Your prospect pretty much shows up to the call already skeptical. 5-year outlook is looking super rough, and the good operators are pivoting out of this model. I would say this is doable if you're a sales rep that's really, really good at handling like fear objections and scam objections. Maybe do this, but overall D tier, this is out of stock right now. If you are a beginner, stay away from this niche. #7 is going to be day trading, prop firms, or any sort of Forex trading. For these, the ticket prices are good. I'm going to give this a D plus C minus tier, okay? Sort of like a mix of the two. The ticket prices are good. It's like $3,000 to $15,000 depending on who you're working for. But the problem is it's regulatory hell. The FTC is cracking down on this. Absolutely insane right now. Pretty much every regulator in the country right now is sniffing around these niches. Some of the biggest creators in the space got hit really hard by the FTC and the CFTC in 2025, and potentially it's not slowing down. So the founder that you might get hired for might get absolutely sniffed out and destroyed. And the part that nobody talks about this niche specifically is majority statistically of your clients that you sell are going to lose money. So the refund pressure and the chargeback pressure is constant. I pulled about 5 reps out of trading offers in the past 5 months because the offer literally collapsed in a week span. I would say stay out unless you find a rare legit operator who's running this operation and has real belief in the creator. Besides that, stay away from it. C minus, D plus tier. #6 is going to be online fitness coaching. I'm going to give this a B minus tier. To be fair, I'm talking about generic fitness coaching with like mass market offers. offers. These are typically around $2,000 to $5,000. Commissions are going to be like $400 to $1,200 per close. The lead quality is actually decent on this, which is why it's pretty high ranked. But the reason that it's not an A+ or S tier is because it is so fucking saturated. It's absurd. I know about 15 dudes that I went to college with that are selling fitness coaching right now. So you're literally closing in a knife fight, and considering the fact that generic coaching, you could literally find it on ChatGPT, the only way that they might buy yours is if you have a really, really big personal brand. If you were stuck in the purgatory selling for someone that has like 15 to 100,000 followers, you better be really, really good at closing to get this sale. Typically, fitness buyers are not going to pay more than like $3,000 to $5,000. They're not going to pay you $15,000 for a weight loss transformation because they could literally go to a personal trainer in real life and get the same coaching for that price. So this is actually very doable to hit your first $10,000 month because of how many leads could come in and the quality of the leads. The volume's going to be there, so if you're willing to work hard, 10K a month is definitely achievable in this niche. But you'll probably plateau at about 15 to 20K a month and most likely won't make more than that. I would say this is pretty good for all ranges of high ticket sales reps, beginner, intermediate, advanced. And it's a great way to learn how to sell the right way because it's very emotional. The prospect is defensive. You have to justify why you're pricing. So it's a really good offer for beginners specifically and a great way to make your first 10,000 bucks. But understand that you're going to be in a knife fight with the prospect pretty much every call. Number 5 is going to be real estate investor coaching. This is like B+ tier. This is the first category on this list that you can build a legitimate long-term career with. Massive market, great lead quality. Mass market real estate investor education is doing hundreds of millions of dollars right now currently. Tickets is usually $5,000 to $30,000 depending on the creator. Commissions, you can make $1,500 to $4,000 per close that you do. Lead quality does vary depending on what creator you're talking about, but usually it's pretty high because if you're looking at real estate investing coaching, you probably have a lot of money. 5-year outlook is super solid. Usually companies that are hiring high ticket closers for like real estate investing coaching have been around for years and they're not going to go anywhere. The market for I want to be a real estate investor is always going to be big because the interest rates are pretty high right now. So the market for I want to be a real estate investor and learn how to do it the right way and mitigate those interest rates is really, really high. The catch is probably going to be the saturation of high ticket sales reps that want to get into this industry specifically. In the past 18 hours, I've actually had one real estate coaching offer hit me up and they're willing to pay their closers $15,000 a month to be a closer on their offer. If you guys want access to this job board and apply for this, click the one-on-one coaching application down below. We have anywhere from 40 to 50 job opportunities that are vetted per day come through this job board. It's ridiculous. But yeah, if you guys want to apply, learn sales training the right way and get access to these jobs, click the link down below. So if you apply to be a closer on a real estate coaching offer, you're going to be competing with people that are probably really good at closing. So I would say this is like intermediate to advanced. When you walk in, you're not going to be the sharpest closer on the team. So if you have 6+ months experience of high ticket closing, or you really see yourself doing well in this industry, I would say this is for you. If you're brand new, I probably wouldn't start here. You might get eaten up. Number 4, okay, now we're getting into the high tier offers that actually can make you a disgusting amount of money. Number 4, which is going to be A-, is going to be premium fitness and peptide longevity offers. Now I'm being really specific here because I know for a fact that these are really, really high paying. I'm not talking about the generic 2K a month Instagram coaching offers. I'm talking about the 1% of fitness influencers that run real businesses that have been around for years. I'm talking about the Greg O'Gallagher, the V-Shreds, these type of guys. Real systems, real lead volumes, a shit ton of views, real products that are constantly improving based on like peptides and longevities and trends. These guys are doing 8 figures in revenue selling weight loss, peptide, longevity help, premium fitness to people with disposable income to throw at this. Tickets are typically $5,000 to $15,000, so commissions are decent, $500 to $1,500 per close, and some of these has recurring revenue on it. The lead volume specifically is why this is so good because they are unreal. Thousands of book calls per month come through these guys' pipeline. So by the time you walk in there and get hired, there's leads, hundreds of leads, thousands of leads just waiting for you. So you're not really just hunting, you're kind of just doing cash collecting. 5-year timeline is massive. You guys have seen like these Brian Johnson longevity creators. I currently live in Miami and everyone is talking about health right now. So it's a very, very big industry. Weight loss is not going away. Everyone wants to look good, feel good, and they're willing to pay top dollar for that. Premium operators in the space, the top 1% of creators are going to be here in 10 years. Plus this whole GLP-1 epidemic, it just tags right along with it. The time to 10K a month is probably faster than any other offer we've talked about on this list. I've watched reps go from $0 to $15,000 per month with pretty minimal experience with offers similar to this. The volume is so high of people coming through the pipeline that if you can sell, you're just gonna print money inevitably. The catch is that most of these premium operators that have been in the business game for years and years are so picky about who they put on their team. You have to look the part, you have to understand fitness, you probably have to be in shape. They're not just gonna let some random closer touch and burn all the leads that they spent so much time and energy and years putting through that pipeline. So you need referrals, vetting, lead pool. I actually just put one of my reps on a really, really good longevity offer. It was posted 6 days ago in my group and they're willing to pay their worst closer $20,000 a month. This is honestly kind of beginner friendly too, because if you know a ton about fitness, it'd be unreasonable for them to not hire you. Like if you're super jacked and can speak the lingo and connect with the lead, it would make sense for them to hire you. All right, number 3, these next 3 that I'm gonna talk about are S tier, absolute S tier offers that you are gonna wanna get into in 2026 through 2035. Number 3 is going to be content agency / personal branding mentorships. I was playing a poker tournament the other day, okay, and I was playing with some guys that are actual big players in the business space. They've sold their business for $60 million, $70 million. Before the poker match, we went around the table and asked what every person did. I said that I do a little bit of content creation, and right when I said content creation and personal branding, I would say 6 really big players in the business space came up to me after, asked for my number, and have been asking me about personal branding and content creation ever since. One dude even asked to give me $10,000 to ideate some of his videos. I don't even have 10,000 subscribers, and these dudes were learning how to garner views through social media. I want you to really think about this. Every lawyer, every doctor, every coach, every CEO, every founder, they all want to learn how to post content. They all know that they need to be posting content. They know that there's no downside to it. They see Alex Hormozy, they see these massive personal brands, but they don't know how to do it. They know they need to be posting on LinkedIn, TikTok, X, YouTube, and none of them want to do it themselves. They all have money, so they're willing to throw it at people who know how to do it. So if you have people making content about how to start doing short form, how to do YouTube the right way, personal branding help, how to start ghostwriting on LinkedIn, personal brand agencies for executives and CEOs, done for you content. The demand for this is unlimited. Every adult under 60 with a somewhat successful business knows that they need to post content. The 5-year outlook on this category is massive. The tickets on these really vary $5,000 to $20,000 to $50,000 a month. Comms could be literally anything $1,500 to $5,000 per month recurring. Lead quality is fucking awesome because usually it's business owners that know they need to post their content. If you're signing up for a content agency, you usually have a strong reason for wanting to post content. They're not broke, they're not desperate, they understand the idea of investing in themselves, and they're chasing a real modern outcome. Now, a lot of reps are missing this whole concept is that the actual business models that make the people the most money are the best ones to sell for. That's why drop shipping and trading and all these are not very good because they don't really make the client that much money. Short form content agencies will literally make someone so much fucking money, so they'll pay you recurring forever, which means you will make commissions recurring every single month. Refunds are low, testimonials are real, which just like snowball affects the entire thing rather than like a fucking crypto coaching offer where someone posts on Reddit that they got scammed by this coach. The time it'll take you to hit 10K a month as a sales rep on this offer is pretty moderate to fast. Probably not as fast as fitness coaching, but once you get really, really good at selling this offer and understanding your ICP, it's just a matter of time. It might be a little bit harder because you're talking to business owners, so if you're not that good at sales, it might be a little bit tough, but it's not as technical to sell as the next 2 things that I'm gonna go into. I would say this is about intermediate to advanced as long as you can talk to business owners. All right, one of the best offers I've ever seen, which is really specific, and some people might hate on me for saying this, but it has the biggest curve for the next 5 years, is how to start a peptide coaching business. My dad called me the other day saying that he wanted to start a peptide business and would pay me any amount of money to connect him with someone that can help him do that. Peptides, hormone optimization, all of these keywords have been blowing up in the past year. Think about the next 5 years, all these people are gonna wanna start a peptide business. If you've been online for 5 minutes, you understand this wave is exploding right now. Men that are 30 to 55 want disposable income and they think that they're smarter than the average person, so all of them are thinking, I'm gonna start a peptide business. So there are some coaches out there that are teaching people how to start a peptide business, where to find the supplier, how to price it the right way, how to make sure you're legally compliant. And those guys that have started a peptide business teaching other people how to do the same are getting disgustingly rich. So culturally, you got the Brian Johnsons promoting these GLP-1s. You've got every podcast host, Joe Rogan, all these guys talking about peptides. The category went from weird biohacker to the entire world wanting to take peptides. So these ticket prices can range anywhere from $15,000 to $100,000 teaching people how to start their own peptide business. Now, I actually know someone in Miami that runs a peptide coaching business and they make a disgusting amount of money. I'm talking multiple 7 figures per month. The lead quality is unreal because the intent of the buyer that's signing up for this is like ready to go. They're employed, professional, they probably have a lot of money saved up in the bank because they understand that starting a business costs a lot of money. They've already self-diagnosed their problem. They understand that this is a growing industry and they will make a lot of money if they start a peptide business. So there's really like no refund risk. 5-year outlook is fucking insane. 10-year outlook is even better. And the best part about this is if you close a deal, you're gonna get recurring revenue because they're probably gonna keep buying peptides from the coach. Now the catch is that the legit operators in this really understand business to a point, so it's gonna be very picky to get on their offers. You have to understand health, you have to understand optimization, you have to make sure that every person that you're talking to trusts you. You're talking to older people that have a lot of money, that know what they want, so any sort of weird cue that throws them off, they might not buy. If you're 18 years old and don't sound mature, it's probably not for you. I'd say if you're 25 plus, understand the longevity game and are really good at sales, this is for you. 3 weeks ago, I hired reps for a peptide longevity offer, and every closer on that offer makes $50,000 per month on average. Obviously, it fluctuates a little bit. I'll put a screenshot right here, but it's absolutely disgusting. I'm talking this offer does multiple 7 figures every single month. Like I said, if you guys want access to these A+ S tier offers, click the link link down below. It's absurd. All right, now number one, the most S tier offer you could possibly sell right now with the craziest 5-year outlook is going to be B2B AI agency coaching. This was probably pretty obvious. Every single business in the world that is run by boomers, even people that are like 35 plus, understand that implementing AI to their business is a must. Teaching people how to implement AI agencies into their business, teaching people how to implement voice bots into their business. Everybody in the world knows that if you run a business, you have to implement AI into it, okay? So starting an AI agency is a massive niche right now. Here's what I mean specifically, okay? Coaches teaching people how to start AI agencies, how to build AI automations for clients, how to sell AI chatbots, AI voice agents, AI workflows, AI implementation and consultation to small businesses. The whole like learn to do AI for businesses that don't know how to do AI wave. It's like that whole thing. This right here, you guys, is 2020 SMMA and dropshipping on steroids. Except this time, the buyers actually have money. They don't want to miss out this time. And the underlying service actually delivers a crazy ROI for the client. Every business owner in America knows they need this. They know their competitors are going to eat them alive if they don't. And they have no idea what to do, which means there's a massive demand for somebody, anybody, to teach those businesses how to start doing AI so that they can either implement it for themselves or sell it to other businesses. Tickets are like 10 to 25K minimum easy. So you're going to make $1,000 minimum per sale you get. Some of the premium offers are pushing 40, 50,000, even $100,000 packages. Comms are going to be like $2,000 to $8,000 per close. And you can take like 8 calls a day. I genuinely know someone making over $100,000 profit selling one of these B2B AI services. The buyer's urgency is real. The lead quality is real. There's no like, I need to think about it for 6 months because they know that they have to do it now. 5-year outlook, you can't even compare it to anything else on this list. This is the biggest wave of the decade. The SMMA wave went from like 2018 to 2022. The AI wave is just beginning. It's going to run till at least 2029, I predict, probably a little bit longer. Teaching everyday people how to ride that wave is going to be insanely profitable. The time to $10,000 a month is pretty quick, probably like 2 to 3 months, and the offer pretty much sells itself. You're really not even selling people, you're just collecting cash. They probably see a tweet, watch a YouTube video, know it's for them, have urgency, and then buy the product. Most people are terrified of getting left behind, so they know they have to take action. The catch is picking the right operator in this category because the bar is so low. There's so many bad fucking 22, 23-year-old people that just learned about AI last year and now they're selling coaching on it. You don't want to be selling for one of those. You want to get in good with one of the legit operators that actually know AI, that actually run a 7-figure business using AI, and then they're teaching people on the side. That's the difference between people that just have an offer collapse in 6 months and people that just run a real career for years. I would say honestly, this is for intermediate to beginner reps. You don't have to be an AI expert because the urgency is so high, but you have to be able to talk to a business owner and B2C clients with real conviction and credibility about why this matters. If you can do that, this is the absolute #1 place you can be for selling any high ticket offer. Now, I can't stress this enough, okay? I've made over $1 million placing high ticket sales reps on the best roles in the space. If you guys want access to A+ tier offers, I'll put some of these on the screen that have literally come in the past week. I can't stress enough, if you feel like you're going to be good at this game, the chances that you land a good offer without having a real network and someone to vet the offers for you is pretty much 1%. So apply down below to get access to my job board and high ticket sales coaching. But let me bring this all together, okay? F tier, crypto, generic SMMA. D tier, dropshipping, e-com coaching. C tier is going to be day trading, Forex. B tier is going to be generic fitness coaching, real estate investing coaching. A tier is going to be premium 1% fitness coaching. And then S tier is going to be content agencies, Peptide's longevity, and #1 is going to be B2B AI agencies. So here's the actual lesson. The best high ticket sales offers are not hot today. They're the ones teaching the waves that people are going to be chasing for the next 5 to 10 years. Hormone optimization, personal brands, how to get actual attention online. These are the gold rushes, and the coaches are selling the shovels in this gold rush. If you're a high ticket sales rep in these D to F tier offers, get out now and start trying to chase a better offer. You're burning months of your career and probably getting a bad taste in your mouth of what this industry could be. The offer matters way more than your skill set. I'm sure you probably know that by now. You can be the best closer on planet Earth selling for some drop shipping offer. You're gonna make no money. And the guy that is kind of okay at selling for a peptide offer is gonna lap you income wise. So what we do at Paid in Full is we place trained reps into A and S tier offers. That's it. That's my entire business. 160 plus vetted influencers and offer owners that constantly hire reps from me. We've placed over 500 reps in the past 1.5 years. So it's stupid, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. All I talk about on this channel is remote high ticket sales and how to make money online. So if you guys like that style of content, please consider liking and subbing, and I'll see y'all in the next video.